The Risk Profile widget in TD Active Trader calculates your potential profit and loss across multiple positions with the same underlying security. It can also help you analyze the impact of potential trades. The widget is part of the Analyze workspace by default. You can also find it in the Tools and Analysis widget drop-down menu. The widget is divided into 3 sections: Risk Profile, Price Slices, and Positions. The first step to using the widget is to enter the symbol of the underlying security you want to analyze in the Risk Profile section. The chart below will display the risk profile for positions in planned trades in that symbol. The horizontal axis represents the price of the underlying security, and the vertical axis represents your potential profit or loss. By default, 2 risk profiles are plotted on the chart. The first one is the profit and loss profile to close out the trade at the end of the current trading day. The second one is your potential profit and loss profile when the first position expires. The legend at the top left of the widget tells you what each color represents. Hide and show lines by clicking the eye icon in the legend. Use this feature to add a third profit and loss profile based on a date between the other 2 profiles. 3 vertical lines called slices are also on the chart. By default, they indicate what the current price of the underlying security is and a 5% change or offset in either direction. You can edit a price slice by dragging it on the chart or from the Price Slices section below. Click Add Slice to create a slice at the last trade price with an offset of 0. Click Reset Slices to go back to the 3 default ones, and remove all slices to delete all. Edit a slice by manually entering a price or offset to the current price. Keep in mind that this will lock the slice at that price instead of using an offset, meaning the price of the slice won't change with the last trade. Delete a single slice by clicking the X to the right of the slice information. The Positions section displays current positions for the underlying security as well as any planned trades. Planned trades are indicated by a box with a P. A planned trade lets you see in advance how a trade may impact your risk profile. To add a planned trade to your risk profile, click Analyze on any trade ticket, or select Analyze from the right-click menu. The boxes on the left indicate which trades you're analyzing. By default, all positions and planned trades are checked. Uncheck a box to exclude that line from the analysis. To delete a planned trade, click the X to the right of the trade details, or right-click the trade and select Delete Position. To act on a planned trade, right-click it and select Trade Position to open a trade ticket.